Welcome to Khetz tutorials, and in this video I'll be doing question 17 from 1.3 exercises in James Stewart calculus. So the question says, graph the function by hand, not by plotting points, but by starting with the graph of one of the standard functions given in section 1.2, and then applying the appropriate transformations. So let's take it in steps. If you look at this is a root function, and in it there's this part here, which is the square root of x. So we are expected to know that the square root of x, it looks like this. So that would be the square root of x. And we're supposed to now apply a transformation to this so that we get 17. So a few things happen to 17, but let's start with the reflection. So this is now negative square root of x. It's not square root of x. So that tells you that this was reflected. So from this to this, we have reflection about the x. And now the new function looks like this. So initially I had this, and we're just going to have its mirror image about the x. So it now looks like this. So this here is negative square root of x. That is the reflection of square root of x about the x-axis. Well, that's not all that happened to it. Finally, we have a translation. And that translation is 2 units up. So you can rearrange this if it helps. You can write it like this, so that you can clearly see that 2 units were added, or we have a shift upwards by 2 units. So that's the next transformation. After this, then apply this transformation, which is a shift up by 2. So after reflecting about the x-axis over there, you now increase y by 2, or you shift the whole graph upwards by 2 units. So you were at this point, and that's what it looked like. But now you're shifting it up. It was at the origin, so if you shift that up, it should be at 2 over there. And at that point, it should now go down like that. And this is now what you have. So this here is y equals 2 minus square root of x. We've applied a reflection about the x, and we shifted the graph upwards